Hello everybody, I am Jose Antonio and today I just want to give you a little bit about my day. Yes, today is a beautiful day like any other day. Special day to give thanks. Yes, to be grateful for everything that we have received during the week. There is always a time to be grateful. And as a matter of fact, every day we should be grateful. Today, Sunday, August 9, 2009. It's a special day for me because I give thanks for my dad. His birthday was yesterday, and I'm very grateful that he is with me. I am very grateful that I have the opportunity to share my life with him here in the world, here in this earth. Um, I'm sure you have tons of things to be thankful today. Take time to be grateful. Enjoy the day, have fun, be happy. Remember, whatever we expect, we get. So I'm also very, very grateful that everything that I'm expecting, I know it will happen. So enjoy the day, and we'll talk in another time. Bye.